Hi guys, I'm making drops today. Zenzi and someone else asked me to make drops. I thought everybody knew how to make drops. Anyway, I'm gonna make drops and it's not hard. Might take a little while, but it's not hard to do. In this spoon, I have smashed up some ginger. This is the Jamaican type ginger. These are small. Look at this one. See how small this is? Look at those big things. Those are the, I don't know where they get them, but I say the American ginger. Because they're big and swarty, and they're not strong. But I went to Brooklyn the other day and I got some good ginger. So I'm gonna take this out when it's, when it's almost cooked. But I'm gonna drop this in my pot. My pot is on the fire. I put about 2 cups, 2.5 cups of water in here. And I'm putting in the ginger and I'm gonna put in the sugar. This is 2 cups of sugar. Right, so I put in the sugar and you just stir it out. This is like one of those iron pots I bought in Jamaica. You need a pot with a strong bottom because anyway, stir out the sugar and we're gonna put that to boil. I mean, you don't even have to wait. You can just put the coconut in it right away. So I'm putting the coconut in. I had cut these coconut up since yesterday and put them in the fridge because I know I was gonna make this today. So I'm gonna let that boil for a while. And we might need more sugar, not sure. But anyway, we're gonna leave that to boil for a little while. And I'll give you step by step, what I do. Okay? I use white sugar, but you can use dark sugar. If I was in Jamaica, or if I could get it hold of the dark sugar, that's what I would use, preferably. But any sugar you use, it works. So also I'm adding this little vanilla. I'm adding a little vanilla in it for flavor. Not putting nutmeg, but adding. So I'm gonna cook this down until it gets very thick, and then we're gonna put it out on a sheet or so. Jamaica old time. My mother used to put it on banana leaf. So we go pick banana leaf, wash them, and then we splash a little water on them and lay them down. Then when the drops is ready, we put it on the leaf and you go sure like it's frying, but anyway, I'm in my kitchen in New York and I don't have banana leaf. Which sometimes you do see banana leaf in Chinatown, but I haven't been there in a while. So anyway, we're gonna cook this down until it gets thick and ready. I might have to add a little more sugar, not sure, but anyway, this is what it is. So you can see now that the water is boiling down out of the pot, and this is where it was. So now it's going down, and you can hear the sound of it. It's frothy and some puffy. So I'm gonna let it boil down a little bit. This 2 cups of sugar should be enough, but if not, I'll add a little more. Yeah, so now it's dried down, or I could get to my video. So I'm just dropping them out on these sheets of I might have to put one over there in that pan. That was my tester pan. Okay. There's not much water left in there. And these are almost ready. I mean, these are getting cool. They're getting cool. I want to find a place to drop another one. I've turned off the stove. And this is what's left in here. See, now it's getting hard in the spoon. And it's drying up. And that's the way you make the drops. See? So I'm just gonna leave them here so they harden up, you know, cool and harden up, and then I'll put them in a tray. All right, you know, like take them out individually and set them on top of each other. That's the way you make drops, coconut drops. And if you're doing peanut, it's the same thing. So as you can see, I'm taking out all the drops and putting them in a tray. You could put them in a cookie jar or something like that and set them for everybody to eat. You know, the family to eat. If you're making them for a particular occasion, you can, you know, put them on maybe a towel and put them in a tray. So everything is hard now. One thing I want to say to you, when you're making these things, make sure, be careful, because if it gets hot, it could, you know, if it catches skin. I mean, it gets hot, but if it catches skin, it can really burn you bad. So I'm gonna set these here. I know my grandchildren and my daughter and son will have some of them. I'm not gonna have much of it, too much sweet. But these are the drops, and this is how you make it. I did miss out a little part when I started removing them from the pot. I thought I was on video, and of course I was taking photograph. I thought I was on video and I was taking photograph. Tell you how much I know about video. Anyway, these are the drops, and this is, maybe I didn't even need so much sugar. You can see all the extra sugar right here. I didn't need so much sugar. I did use 2 cups of sugar for this. But you could have used maybe 1.5 cups to the 2 cups of water. The whole thing is, once it boils down and start getting thick, you got to turn the stove down, because it will burn. And these were getting very dark. The sugar will get dark. Just don't let it burn. Right? So there you go. Those are the drops. Zenzi, I hope you're watching. This is for you, my dear. You've been asking, and I'm making it. And I thank you, all my subscribers, for watching my videos. Those that comment and or like and share. All right, this helped my channel. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. I'm still at 2 something. I don't remember, 200 and something. Trying to get to 5 and then 1,000. You know. But anyway. They say one cook a full basket, don't it? Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you can make this, ask any questions, and it's over and out.